Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you about a new functionality which we have released about single invoice against multiple subcon SO. So you do the job work and then after once the invoice come from supplier, now you can go ahead and club multiple service order of the subcon and can create an invoice. From where you can do that, click on all modules. Now then go to sales and purchase. After going in sales and purchase, go to all document segment. So here in the document segment, you need to select the subcon SO. Once you will select the subcon SO, please check invoice pending, invoice pending, invoice pending, invoice pending. Here you can go ahead and check. Now, I will simply just select those SO whose invoice are pending. Make sure that the invoice status should not be invoice created and it will be from the same counterparty. So I selected four subcontracts. I will click on create invoice, and then this particular page will open where I can go ahead and create the invoice. So let me quickly fill the details. Payment term, I will select net 120 and accordingly the payment date will adjust. Go below, here are all the details as per the subcon. So here you will see that this document is being created from four orders. I will go below and click on save and send. It will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes, and now the subcon invoice is created. So this is how it will look like. Now I will go to transaction, go below, and here I can see all the invoices which are created because these are created in a specific transaction timeline. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and create punch single invoice against multiple subcon SO. Have a good day ahead.